being treated by our doctors here.
Meghalaya Health Minister said that the state government will come up with another cancer care wing in Tura. He informed that the work in Tura has started and hope by next year they will be able to open it. He also informed that they have been talking to the Government of India for funding and also informed that the government will set up screening facilities in all the districts, but the cancer wing will be only in Tura and Shillong. With regards to Medical College, James Sangma said that the work progress with Tura Medical College is in its final stage and very soon they will identify to take the process up.
Yes, this is something that we need to explore.
Screening facilities will be asked.
Screening, yes. If you're talking about screening, yes, screening facilities and all. But the cancer care wings, just for now, in Tura and in Shillong. But of course, in the future, we would like to see it in every district. Tura Medical College, as you know, is already sanctioned. The construction is underway. There are a lot of difficulties in terms of the road access, in terms of other things, which we have been able to clear because there was a bridge construction which was proving to be as an impediment to transportation of materials for building. So those have been resolved, and we're looking at it getting expedited. Yeah.